This summer, humanoid robots stopped being demos and started being factory installs. Hyundai finished buying Boston Dynamics outright in July. Unitree priced its Shanghai listing in August. 5 layers, 17 public companies, and the choke points are at the bottom of the map. Layer 1, the platforms. Tesla decommissioned its Model S and X lines at Fremont to install the first Optimus production lines, with production anticipated later this year. Hyundai now owns Boston Dynamics outright and is targeting 30,000 Atlas units a year by 2028. Layer 2, the factory arms. Fanuc and Yaskawa run 2 of the world's largest installed bases of industrial robots. Rockwell's latest quarter grew 8% on semiconductor, data center, and warehouse automation. And ABB agreed to sell its robotics division to SoftBank, a deal still in regulatory review. Layer 3, the warehouse. Symbotic's August filing shows a backlog of roughly $22.5 billion, the vast majority from its Walmart and joint venture agreements. Amazon's next generation, Proteus robot, moves loads up to £1,300 and takes direction in plain conversational language. Layer 4, surgery, where robots have already been profitable for years. Intuitive Surgical placed 468 Da Vinci systems last quarter, revenue up 19% on an installed base of nearly 11,700. Keyence, Cognex and Teledyne supply the vision underneath. Layer 5 is the layer nobody watches, and it decides the whole thing. Every robot joint needs a precision reducer. Harmonic Drive holds over 70% of small and medium robot joints. Nabtesco puts its own share of the larger ones, at roughly 60%. One humanoid needs 20 to 30. 17 public companies, 5 layers, 1 map. And the choke points are not the robots at the top. They are the reducers in every joint, and the one board that does the thinking. If you want the rest of the Atlas, the channel runs a full stack breakdown like this one on the industries that decide what gets built, plus dispatch deep dives on the forces moving markets. This is an educational explainer, not investment advice. Subscribe and you will not miss the next one. Do you think humanoid robots are about to become a real product line? Or are we still watching very good demos? Tell us which and why in the comments. And watch one thing, whether Tesla's first generation Optimus lines actually start producing this year, the way its July letter anticipated.